Welcome to my YouTube tutorial video where I discuss 3 key factors of YouTube success: algorithm, thumbnail, and title. Please only watch this video if you're genuinely interested in learning about these aspects. Your support means the world to me.
Have you ever wondered what it takes to make your YouTube videos a hit? Let's start with the backbone of the whole operation, the algorithm. This complex system is what guides YouTube in deciding which videos to recommend to its users. It's a bit like a matchmaker, pairing up viewers with content they're likely to enjoy. So, how do you win over this matchmaker? It's all about engagement metrics. First off, there's watch time, the total amount of minutes people spend watching your videos. The longer, the better. Then there's click-through rate, which measures how often people click on your video after seeing it in their feed. And lastly, audience retention, how long people stick around once they've started watching. Creating high-quality, engaging content is the golden ticket to optimizing these metrics. Remember, the algorithm is your friend. Understanding it can help you reach more viewers. Next up is the art of crafting the perfect title. A title isn't simply a label. It's a billboard that advertises your content. It's what viewers first encounter, and it's what will either draw them in or send them scrolling. So, how do you create that irresistible title? First, keep it catchy. Something that sounds interesting or sparks curiosity. But catchy doesn't mean misleading. The title should be a crystal clear, no surprises summary of what's inside. Secondly, make it descriptive. Let viewers know exactly what they can expect from your video. And lastly, sprinkle in keywords. These are the search terms that viewers use. Including them in your title can boost your video's visibility in search results. But remember, never force keywords. They should fit naturally into your title. A well-crafted title is your first step in attracting viewers to your content. Lastly, let's dive into the importance of a captivating thumbnail. Thumbnails are more than just static images. They're the cover of your video book, the first visual cue that can make or break a viewer's decision to click. It's the ultimate bait, enticing viewers to bite and engage with your content. Thumbnails should be visually intriguing, drawing the eyes of potential viewers as they scroll. This means using vibrant colors, high contrast, and clear images. But remember, it's not just about being flashy. The thumbnail also needs to be relevant to your video content. Misleading thumbnails can lead to viewer dissatisfaction and a high drop-off rate. Additionally, a touch of mystery or intrigue can spark curiosity. An unanswered question, an unexpected image, or a bold statement can make viewers want to click to find out more. A great thumbnail can significantly boost your click-through rate, so spend some time making it stand out. So to recap the 3 key factors for YouTube's success. Firstly, grasp the workings of the algorithm. YouTube's algorithm is a gatekeeper of sorts, deciding which videos get the spotlight. It's all about engagement metrics such as watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention. Consistently creating high-quality, captivating content is the golden ticket to making the algorithm work in your favor. Secondly, you need to master the art of crafting compelling titles. It's the first impression viewers get of your video. Make it catchy, descriptive, and rich in keywords. It should snag the viewer's attention and give an accurate sneak peek into your video content. Lastly, the importance of designing intriguing thumbnails cannot be overstated. The thumbnail, together with the title, is a deciding factor for viewers to watch your video. Ensure it's visually appealing, relevant, and sparks curiosity. By optimizing these elements, you can grow your channel and reach a wider audience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.